Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage document collaboration with Google Workspace, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Workspace website. Sign in to your Google account. Once logged in, access Google Drive from the app menu or by typing drive.google.com in the address bar. To create a new document, click on the plus new button located on the left side of the screen. Select Google Docs from the drop-down menu to start a new document. Alternatively, if you want to collaborate on an existing document, locate it in your Drive and click to open. Once your document is open, look at the top right corner to find the Share button. Click on the Share button to open the sharing settings. In the sharing settings, you can add collaborators by entering their email addresses in the text field. Choose the appropriate permissions for each collaborator, viewer, commenter, or editor. After setting the permissions, click Send to invite your collaborators. Collaborators will receive an email notification with a link to the document. Once they open the document, you can all work simultaneously. To communicate with your collaborators while editing, use the built-in comment feature. Highlight text where you want to leave a comment, and click on the comment icon from the toolbar. Type your comment and click Comment to share it with others. Collaborators can reply to your comments for effective discussions. To keep track of changes, access the Version History option from the File menu. This allows you to see edits made over time and revert to earlier versions if necessary. When you finish working, your changes are automatically saved in Google Drive. Encourage all collaborators to regularly check for comments and updates. For additional organization, create folders in Google Drive to keep similar documents together. You can create a folder by clicking on plus new and selecting folder. Name your folder and click Create. Drag and drop your documents into this folder for easier access. Utilize Google Meet or Google Chat for real-time discussions about your documents. This will enhance collaboration and speed up the decision-making process. By following these steps, you can effectively manage document collaboration using Google Workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.